connect AirPods to an Android phone, here's what you need to do. So the first thing is to put the AirPods and the Android phone in Bluetooth proximity, because that's what you're going to use to connect the two. And then go to your Android phone and go into the Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And with Bluetooth turned on and ready to pair, pick up the AirPods case and open the lid. And then turn them around and find the pairing button, which you're going to press and hold until that light in there starts blinking white. And with the light blinking white, you can now go ahead and scan for Bluetooth devices on your Android phone. And once the AirPods have been detected, tap on that, and then there'll be a request to pair, so tap on pair. And as you can see, the AirPods are now connected and they're ready to be used as Bluetooth headphones. And that's basically how to pair your AirPods to any Android phone. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.